Hello guys, this is Vito from ZWorks, and here is another build that I just finished not too long ago. So this is a 2020 G63 AMG. Sorry for my voice, if it's hard to hear me, but I think I'm getting sick or something. But anyways, here's a quick preview of this. So this setup got the engraving of the S logo for one of my good clients. Then the demon eyes are also red, and then this ring is also red now. So you'll have the factory function, which is white, and then also in red. So let me turn on the rings. There you go. So this will be one of the settings for the DRLs. Once again, the factory function will be still remained, so that is very nice, but it will look very aggressive. It's matte black, so it will look really nice. Here, let me darken the exposure so you guys could see it a little bit better. It has very nice fluid color all throughout. All the factory acrylic rods are still reused to give it this uniform look. So a lot of the factory functions, everything still remained. Nothing got removed or changed up besides just adding up the lights. Then let me show you guys the red demon eye, also how that works. Give me just a moment to switch this around for you guys. Just a second. And here is the demon eye. So it's really nice. You could see the engraving much better now with the backlighting in there. Very nice uniform color too. I'm trying to catch the, there it is. So yeah, very nice setup. Once again, I work on any car, BMWs, Mercedes, you know, Lamborghinis I've done. A couple more projects are coming soon. Some Huracan projects, another event door, so stay tuned. Lots of cool things we'll be getting done this year. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or follow the social media, Instagram, all the links, they'll be in the description. So that's that. Thanks guys.